Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable or get face tracking on Roblox. First of all, you have to click on this three dot. Now you have to go to in settings. Once you're in the setting, you have to go to in privacy. Now once you are in the privacy, you have to scroll down and here are two permissions. My first is microphone, second is camera input. So you have to enable the camera input to get face tracking. You can see that it clearly says that these settings allow you to animate your avatar with your movement. It means it allow you to do face tracking. So you just need to click on this enable button to get the face tracking. And once you enable it, just come out of this privacy and go to any game that supports face tracking. So let's see how can you check which game supports face tracking. So you have to go to in game specification and check whether the game supports microphone or camera or not. If the game supports camera, then it also supports face tracking. Now you have to open any game, so please don't need it. And you can see whether your face track is working or not. So you just need to open game. So it says that voice chat is not audible because I just fold down all the volume in the game itself, so it won't disturb us and just won't override our voice. So once you're in the game, as you can see, this is my little cat Smurf. If you want this bundle, I'll give you the link of the bundle and you can check it out. So now, first of all, guys, you have to go click on Roblox icon here, or you can click on this here. Two icon, as you can see, the first is for the mic, and the second is one for the video icons, video of or the we can say the face tracking. Just click on it. When you click on it, the face cam will open, and also green dot shows that it is using your camera. It means if you move your head, it will start syncing with your avatar. So you just need to, now you don't need to do anything, just move your head left and right and you will see the synchronization with your avatar. Fine, so that's how you can do it, and you can keep this face cam anywhere you want. Yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.